Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make fruit salad using fruit cocktail. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 1 large can of fruit cocktail, about 15 ounces, drained well. Also, have on hand 1/2 cup of whipped topping or yogurt and 1/4 cup of mini marshmallows. This method is incredibly easy and perfect for a quick treat or a last-minute gathering. Let's get started on this delightful and simple recipe right away. For our easy fruit salad, the main star is 1 large can of fruit cocktail, approximately 15 ounces. Make sure to drain all the liquid completely. This is a crucial step for the best texture. Next, you will need about 1/2 cup of a creamy element, such as whipped topping, vanilla yogurt, or even sour cream for a tangier flavor. Finally, grab 1/4 cup of mini marshmallows to add a lovely chewiness and sweetness. Now for the fun part, mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, gently combine the well-drained fruit cocktail with your chosen creamy dressing or yogurt. Stir carefully to avoid mashing the fruit. Once that is mixed, fold in the 1/4 cup of mini marshmallows. For a personalized touch, you could add 1/2 cup of fresh blueberries or a sprinkle of chopped pecans. This step allows for creative additions to suit your taste. After mixing, cover your fruit salad and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. Chilling allows the flavors to meld beautifully and ensures a refreshing experience. When ready to serve, give it a quick stir. You can present it in a large serving bowl or in individual dishes. For an elegant touch, garnish with a fresh mint sprig or a few extra mini marshmallows. This simple fruit salad is perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.